Peace and blessings to all my empresses and emperors. Welcome to another video. If you have not already subscribed, you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll be notified of any upcoming videos that I may have coming. Which there will be a lot, trust and believe. Also, if you've been rocking with me for a while, watching my videos and have not subscribed, please go ahead and do yourself some justice. Subscribe, hit the bell, and become completely a part of the Regal family. Okay, with that being said, today I want to talk about one thing with the weather changing a lot in different areas all over, not just, hey, some people are having a lot of wind like we're having in Chicago, which is the reason why I'm sniffling again, big time, because the air has been up and down, up and down, up and down. But we want to moisturize and replenish. And then somebody also had sent me a message asking me if I could talk about moisture. Not sure if the person went ahead and looked at the long amount of videos that I have done talking about that, which in each video I think I talk about something dealing with moisture. And I just want to give a few tips on how to moisture and replenish your Natty dreads, even if you're just starting off. Okay, so this is going to be a very short video, but I just wanted to put it out here. Let's see. Number one, what do you all think it's going to be? Water. If you do not hydrate your body on the inside, it will not come out on the outside. So that is something that I sincerely stand by and believe that if you put enough water in your body, then you will be able to reap the benefits way more than putting any type of products in your hair. So you have to drink at least half your body weight, or I say just in general, drink a gallon of water a day. I'm hoping I'm not looking too away from my ethnic self. Okay. Hopefully you all can see me well. Sorry for the pit bull in the background. But anyway, yes, that's number one. And I'm only going to name about 5 because this is something that I talk about all the time. Definitely the intake of water is something that will be so beneficial to your hair, skin, and nails, and it's something that is very repetitious in every video that I put down. And for those that don't want to go back and watch some of my old videos, fine. Okay, here's a new video. There it is. That's number one. Number 2, you want to make sure that you protect your hair. As you can see right now, it's very windy in Chicago. It's a nice temperature outside, but it's very windy. I have my hair protected. Not only do I have on my King J or King James cap before I put on anything else, because this is protecting my hair. It's from a material that is not pulling my hair at all. And then I have on a cotton cap, because this way this is not touching my hair. So, and this is locking in the moisture. Sorry. This is locking in the moisture, and then the cap is protecting me from being subjected to getting sick, hopefully. If you see my little button, until that day, that's the organization that I belong to. There it is. It's tattooed on my arm, and it all means that until that day, until we all can be together and free and get the same rights as everyone else. It's also a part of the Bible. If you read the Bible, it's talking about until that day. You know, it's a lot more to it, but you know, I can't go through the whole mission statement because that's not what this video is about. And I'm so sorry for sniffling, but this cold air. I have to keep. I'm about to go pick up my daughter soon from school, so I had to have my hair covered. And if you haven't seen my hair uncovered, for those who are new to this channel, just go to some videos back, videos from the past. My hair is actually down to my my thighs, and you can also see pictures on Instagram. Look in the description box, go to Instagram, or you can look at I prefer you to go to Instagram because there's a lot of pictures on there. But you can also go to YouTube. No, I mean Facebook. Facebook has some pictures, but they're about to change their policy and you won't be able to see pictures pretty soon. Okay, that's number 2. Keeping your hair covered, protected during the day. If you're around any type of dust, particles, if you work in an environment where there's a lot of dirt, debris, all that, keep your hair covered. And this cap also helps keep it moisturized. Keep the moisture in. Going to bed, definitely. This is important. Not this right here. This right here. When you go to bed, you should always lay down on either a satin pillowcase if you don't have a cap, and protect your hair. But it would be best if you have it pulled up inside of a cap. That's number 2. Number 3, what you put into your body is what you get out. So if you put nasty foods into your body, such as McDonald's, Burger King, any type of fast foods or whatever, that's what's going to come out through your skin, your hair, and your nails. So if you wonder why your skin is maybe breaking out a little bit, or your nails are brittle and dry, well, your nails more so brittle or dry because of your water intake. But still, it comes out through your face and through your hair. If you expecting your hair to flourish or whatever, you have to have the proper vitamins and everything that you need. And that comes through eating vegetables. And if you can't eat vegetables, such as myself, there's some vegetables that I just do not like to eat. I choose to put them in my NutriBullet, which is a fabulous, and no, I did not get paid to talk about NutriBullet. I brought my own and in August, and it has been very, 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 very much a good thing that I've added to me and my daughter's lifestyle. Now we're our intake of kale, our intake of carrots, our intake of blueberries, our intake of strawberries, our intake of flax seeds, all types of walnuts, almonds, all different types of things that are really good in omega-3s, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, and everything has really been working on our behalf. I try to choose that over taking medications, because anybody that has watched some of the past videos that I have put out, know that I was in the past put on a lot of medications that didn't necessarily help me. And the last thing I want to do now is take more medications or more supplements. I don't take supplements. Supplements to help my body, which if you just put in the right vegetables and stuff, that will help you. Okay? That's number 3. Number 4, if you're experiencing some type of dryness or so on your scalp, one of the best things that I have noticed that has worked is, which I don't have to do it that much anymore, is essential oils directly on your scalp, maybe about in different pressure points, which is your temples, your occipital bone, top of your head, and a couple other places. Massage your scalp with those oils. Trust me, they will go down the shaft of your hair. It may take long because our texture of hair is a little, it's different. Some have wavy, some have curly, some have kinky, some have whatever. But eventually it will go down. So we're working with the scalp. Make sure your scalp is taken care of. Even though I'm a water rinse only type of Natty dread, trust me, I still get everything that I need, and my hair is very strong and very moisturized. So you want to make sure that you know, use the essential oils. Sometimes you might have to, I have gray all up in here. If you haven't seen me before, if this is your first time seeing me, make sure that you go to some of my other videos and you'll see, you know, my hair. See how gray I am up in here. And sometimes I might have to put a little bit of aloe or a little bit of coconut oil, which, you know, aloe, if it works better, sometimes I'll use aloe. I notice in the summertime I use just more aloe. In the wintertime I use a little bit of coconut. I haven't had to use that much coconut at all this past winter. Okay, that was number 4. And number 5 is to keep your hands out of your hair. You know, we're replenishing. So we're keeping our hands out of our hair. We're allowing our hair to do what it do. We're keeping it clean. You know, no matter what form or method of keeping it clean that you're trying to do. Some people say that water only is just definitely not for them. Okay, so if you use black soap, I don't know anything, absolutely anything about Dr. Bronner's. And I am a licensed cosmetologist, but I have never used it before. I've been licensed since 1988. I need to say that. I will be answering a whole lot of questions about that because I have a whole lot of answers because I have been licensed for so long and I still stay within the licensed community of people that do hair because I have a lot of friends that do hair. But keeping your hair clean is another thing. You know, you must keep your hair clean and you must keep your scalp massaged. You know, you want to make sure that you're not putting products on your hair that's going to leave any type of residues or what have you on your hair. You know, but keeping that scalp massage stimulated, clean, at least depending on where you live and depending on what type of work you do, every week, every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks for me, because where I live, I'm not outside a whole lot. You all know. If you watch my past videos, you all know why I don't go outside a whole lot. And then also the fact that, you know, I work in a studio, I work from home, but when I work in my studio, I mean, I work, do my work or whatever, and then I'm out of there. I'm not even subjected to anything other than the fumes from the candles that I design. Okay, so those are my top 5 things to moisturize and replenish your hair because we're changing seasons and things are changing, and you all need to know that there are things that you need to keep up on to make sure that your natties are getting the nutrients and stuff that they need. So part of it is your eating. Part of it is covering your hair. Part of it is massaging your scalp. Part of it is essential oils. Part of it is, did I say covering your hair? Probably did. But then, you know, it's all of that together that works for you. You know, you don't have to always have your hair down so people can see how long it is or what stage you're in or whatever. You know, sometimes we can, and that's why I have my hair covered up now because when I go to my daughter's school, they already know how long my hair is. I don't care about that. I really don't care, period, anyway. But I know that I have to protect my head, my hair, and because of the weather, I don't want to catch a cold, which the sniffling and all that, I mean, it's, my daughter had a cold. She's going through. She'll be 12 tomorrow. You also happy birthday to my daughter. Forgot. Can't even say her name anymore because of all the trolls that's on YouTube. But happy birthday to my daughter, who'll be 12. I want you all to continue to ask questions, continue to leave comments, thumbs up the video if these are things that you need to know about. leave messages if these are things that you're already following, because we have been talking and we've been doing live chats and stuff together. You know, just let me know down below, what else would you like to talk about? What else would you like to know about? What else would you like for me to bring to this channel? Of course, you all know that I am definitely still working on the t-shirts. It's not that the t-shirts haven't been designed. It's the production. It's the production. So, yes, I will have a date in which they will be released. I have one design that I completely designed. It's not just words. It's an actual drawing. It's an actual drawing for my Natty Dread queens, empresses. And then in the future, I'll do more for the kings, as far as like stuff that I have totally committed to designing. When I say committed to designing, I mean you will see my words and stuff that I say in my videos all the time. Also, yeah, there will be some Natty Kings t-shirts that are going to be available online. I just have no idea when I'm going to go ahead and put that out there. So we'll talk more about that later. I just want to come in and give you all a short video and let you all know that I love you. Thank you all for rocking and rolling with me. For all of you all that have been there for me. All of you all that have kept me from being subjected to the negativity that are on, that's here on YouTube because of trolls and everything. Just thank you so much for being around and sticking and staying with me and rocking with me for as long as you've been rocking with me. Peace and blessings. I love you all. Subscribe, share, thumbs up the video so I'll know that this is something that you're interested in. Thumbs up the video. Leave your comments down below. Leave your questions down below. Leave your suggestions down below. You know, let me know. If you have any ideas for different, well, we've already talked about shirts. I've already got that under control. And it's not just shirts. It's going to surprise you all because I have way more than t-shirts available. I have a whole grouping of stuff that's going to be available. But I just want to let you all know that. And I mean, you all know that that's what I've been working on. It's just that sometimes you just have to keep it pushing and not rely on people when it's a project that you're really trying to handle yourself. You know, because everybody is not all into your project the way that you're into. So with that being said, again, peace and love. I love you all. And I'll see you in the next video. And that'll be after my child's birthday. Love.